it's morning time and we're heading back up to take care of some bamboo problem. So we're on our way back to see if we can do some work with some bamboo. It's kind of a dreary morning, kind of misty, possible rain today, but we're going to go get this done. So bamboo makes a really good hedge, it does, but you got to control that stuff. If you don't control it, if you don't keep it mowed or you don't keep the edges of it mowed, it's going to just keep spreading. And that's what this has basically done. I think it was brought in as a hedge at one point, and it has taken over the whole part of the property back where they have a whole bunch of stuff stored. You need to keep control. If you're going to have bamboo for a hedge, you got to control it. You got to mow it. You got to keep it mowed down, and then just keep it where you want it. Otherwise it will take over, and it will take over fairly quickly. And the bamboo we're working with, it's about 15 to 20 feet tall. Maybe not quite 20 feet, but it's up there. It's pretty high. Some of the bases on it can be up to about 3 inches, and so it's a pretty good sized base. Stay with us, and we'll keep going here and enjoy the video. Here's an old greenhouse right here. Shed back up in here. Rocks and bricks and stuff. I don't want to get tangled up in that. There's a shredder right there that I need to pull out, and we'll keep going on this thing. This is quite the mess, as you can see. This is what we've done so far. We've actually done quite a bit. we're just making paths to get to some of the stuff that's in here, to get it dug out. Open areas now. Used to be just as thick as what you just saw. Unbelievable. Yep, unbelievable. All this stuff is in here. There's stuff on the ground. I hit a pile of T-posts just a minute ago, I found. That was not good. There they are. And then we open this up, and then it's opened up in the back too. So we still have ways to go. Looks like a little small, looks like 12-inch turning plow, 2-blade disc, a small disc. Single blade plow in there. See a cultivator back up in there too. A lot of these holes. Not sure what's in those. Little single blade subsolar. Looks like a county line sitting right here. Good thing we don't hit that.